Yes, fam. Grand finale. This is it now. Low flame. And I say simmering. Look at it, y'all. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. This is the consistency. You don't want it any more watery, and you don't want it any more thicker. We are looking for soup, and we have food in there. You're not looking for a pot of soup. That when you open the pot, you see all the food on top, and there is no soup. We said a pot of Saturday soup, not a pot of food soup. Soup. So when you open the pot, your soup must be properly done, and your soup must cover. So we can turn off our flame right here and now. Your soup must cover the food that is inside the pot, yet the soup is ready. Okay, y'all? So right here and now, and let me tell you something. If this is not a pot of goodness, I don't know what is. I don't know what is. So you know, we're gonna search. I can hardly find the herbs and all of that, like the scallion. You know, we always search for them and we all find them. But at this point, it's sort of hard to find. Everything has so much gelled together. So we're gonna proceed to do some plating. I'm still looking for my scotch bonnet pepper. Oh, right here. Look at it. Look at this baby. Right in camera, girl. Get on this. Look at it. The pepper has swiveled down. Every bit of this flavor has been ejected in this pot of soup, y'all. And it, listen to me. Look at it. Camera girl, get them, shoot them up on it. It don't burst. Okay, y'all. That's what I'm talking about. Now, I'm going to plate up some because where you are, most of y'all, I know the weather is changing, the time is hot, and you're going to need some of this soup. Okay, y'all? And you ladies, you're going to plate up some for your husband. Please remember to put as lot as a sort of like a plate right here. A sort of thing, you know, you put your soup bowl on a plate when serving to your husband. Okay? So right here, we're going to go right in, and we are going to take, I'm going to show you. Our yam is cooked. So we're going to take out a piece of our yam. The sweet potato is cooked. So that's why I said to you, you got to know when to put in these foods, else you'll get them all mashed. The sweet potato is cooked, so you don't want it getting mashed, okay? And from the sweet potato and the yam is cooked, the soup is ready. So we're searching inside this pot of goodness, because I'm dishing up some for you all. I'm giving you some corn here. Yeah. You know, it's soup, so you gotta, as you go along, you gotta eliminate what you don't want, because everything has been gelled together. Another little piece of the yellow yam. Yes. I gave you sweet potato. Yeah. And you know, so we want, when we don't eat, we want we can't for choose. So I'm giving you here another piece of corn. I'm looking for some of the chicken foot. Yeah. Chicken foot? Yeah, to give you all. Okay. So, searching for some chicken foot, yes. And you know these things, how they come up. So, I gave you that. And I'm going, you know, man, all over for your husband or you who? Yeah, you want another soup dumpling. You can't give people one dumpling and soup. That's a joke. Okay, y'all. Now, I'm just going to come right here. And I'm going to dig right in to get you all some of this goodness. I want you to get some of this soup. Look at the soup. And I want you to get some more of this chicken foot something and this chicken neck something here. Yeah, and if you get piece more, nothing wrong. But I want you to get some of the soup, some of the goodness. I want you to get some of this heat inside your body wherever you are with this cold weather coming on to you. I want you to get some of this soup, y'all. Now, look at this. Look at this, you all. Now, from my kitchen to yours, from my kitchen to your plate, to your stomach, to your kitchen table, to your family table, from my Jamaican kitchen to yours, it's Saturday soup. It's now 10 minutes past 1 Jamaica time, and that is the time when we Saturday soup ready. I'm on point, you all. Enjoy. Hello. This soup is a serious soup, you know, it's a very hot soup. But look, this is my bowl, you know. And those who are going to talk me, you know. But nothing wrong, we are a family. You can't talk me, man. After me bowl this, let me give you 2 more chicken butter. Yes, man. Because it's a serious soup this to get eaten. It's not an easy soup. You know? But you know what happened? Where you are with this weather so cold, and it's not really cold out here. But it's we're having a lot of rains, and some of the time in the evening, the nights are chilly and all of that, and early morning. So I know the weather is changing. So, that's for you all. Hello. Hello, please. And this is here. I'm going to taste for you. Hello. I'm just tasting this now. This is not my own, you know. This little bit could never be mine. I am just going to taste. Hello. Is that serious soup, this, you know? Not an easy soup to taste. But you know all I've got to do it. Because what happened? You're my family. Hey, y'all. And while it's cooling, if you have liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hey, me not get no dumpling. How I go on? Why dumpling there? Come here. Wow. Kind of soup without dumpling. So, if you have liked this video, it's Saturday soup. Yes, so me dumpling waxy. Hello, please. This is not an easy soup to do. It's hot. Wow. Wow. Salt perfection on a point. If you want to salt up your soup and drink a lot of salt soup, go ahead, but I would not suggest that. You see the color is there? You see the consistency of the soup? This is what we call soup, y'all. Okay? And this is a long anticipated, a long requested video. And it is my pleasure to present it to you all. So once more, from my kitchen to yours, it's Saturday soup, Jamaican style. Enjoy, y'all. And please remember to keep your notifications on. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Share, share, share. And up on over I'm sorry, what is happening? Soup to art. To the Jamaican debbiedebs. We're going on. We take our time and we're building and we're coming up. You know, it's a new channel. So once more, enjoy your Saturday soup. The weather is getting cold, I know you all. So